Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert charts in Google Docs. To do this, first you will need to open Google Sheets. Just go to any Google page, then click on those dots in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and find your Google Sheets. Click on it, then create a blank spreadsheet. Or if you already have a different chart in your Google Sheets, you can import it, and I'm going to show you that in a second. Now in our Google Sheets we can create the first chart, and in this case we need some values. So we're going with Tom 100 and Jack 50. Then we can click on the insert, go for the chart, and then now a new window should show up. Then we can change our setup for the chart. For example, the chart type, in this case we can go with the pie. Then change our data range, so we want to count Tom and Jack in that chart and all of the values that we added next to them. So in this case we can click on the select data range, and we're going from A1 to B2. Click on OK, and here's our chart created. Now to actually import it, we'll need to save our document. It should save automatically, and now we can go to the Google Docs and import our chart. So we're going to click on Insert, Chart from Sheets, and then click on the last Google spreadsheet that you created. Also, we can change the name, so Doc, like that. And now let's click on it again. From Sheets, Insert, and here's our chart that we just created. Click on the import, and here we have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.